My name is Kevin Tams. I'm currently the Flight Chief at the SMIC, Strategic Missile Integration Complex at Hill Air Force Base. Okay, so here we are standing in front of a 110-ton blast door over top of our missile. And the silo, whenever that missile needs to launch, this 110-ton blast door clears off of here, and then the missile can leave the ground.
Item 129, launcher closure door open.
We are currently at the Strategic Missile Integration Complex, also known as the SMIC, at Hill Air Force Base, Utah. We are in a Minuteman III missile silo. The Minuteman III was designed in the late 50s and early 60s and fielded in the 70s. We just had our 50-year birthday, middle of this year. Our maintenance operations here assist the field in troubleshooting any of the anomalies they're having, and we run tests on new equipment before it is fielded to make sure that it's operational and that it won't bother anything else in the weapon system. Here at the SMIC, we also do the repair and maintenance to the other part. Other than the missile silo, there's a capsule where crew members are on alert 24 hours a day, and they are in control of 10 silos each, and they're scattered from 2 to 8 miles away from each other. So the Minuteman III is the ground side of the nuclear triad. We also support the Air Launch Control Center here at the SMIC, where we recertify that aircraft after it has repairs done or block upgrades. Okay, some of the other things we support here at Missile Maintenance is the transportation group. This is a truck that hauls some of the various components out to the missile field from the repair center and back and forth. If it needs repair, it has to be removed from the site, brought to Hill, fixed, and then returned and installed. I've been with ICBMs for 18 years now and 21 on base. I started my career as an industrial electrician, and I moved into the aircraft electrician field and then moved over to Minuteman III. My job satisfaction comes from being part of maintaining the nation's largest security force. The unique aspects come from always changing circumstances and challenges with technology changes. As anything is upgraded throughout the weapon system, it has to be rigorously tested here before it is fielded. I would say if you're interested in this career field, plan on committing yourself to the job and using the education that you've got with commitment to the job that you're being trained at. Whether it's electronics or engineering, of course, continuing education and follow-up with on-the-job training, which is done extensively here after they start. None of this stuff can be taught in a classroom, so we bring the employees here and train them with their skills that they've learned in the classroom and how we can apply that here at the site. The uniqueness and the highlights of the ICBM weapon system is that it is on alert 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And the men and women that support that are dedicated to the success of that mission. There's never a break. There's nothing that ever stops to the mission. And when something does go wrong, it's everybody's effort to get it back online and ensure the success and readiness of the operation. Knowing that we're supporting 3 other operational missile wings that are on alert 24 hours a day, and the importance of that job detail is challenging at best, but very rewarding, knowing that if we do our job right, they can do their job right, and the operation can be successful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.